Hi guys, it's the Macintosh Guide and we have a massive parcel. So this has come from our dear friends Hoxton, of course, who else? And we're going to be seeing what is in this box because genuinely I actually don't know. So let us open it up. Now as we can see, there's a bit of denting that's gone on during during transit. You can see right here it's obviously had a bit of a mighty hit on the side, but every time I've ordered from Hoxton they've always delivered in terms of speciality and making sure everything arrives on time. So yeah, let's just open up this side from here, and then all we need to do is just open it up from the middle. Hopefully that is going to be enough for us to open it up. And there you go. And a box has a box. It's like the old Russian doll experience where you have a box and a box and a box. So you can see again it's been packaged quite nicely. There you go. Oh, the box is very heavy. Let's put that to the side. And there we have it. We've got our massive box. And let's just put that there. So now let's open up the second box. So I can see they always have the Apple-esque pulley tabs. And do we have any ideas of what it's going to be? It is a MacBook Pro. What else were we expecting? Now, we've received a bunch of things. Safety, which is I think quite new, but included charging cable. And then of course we've got this is refurbished from Hoxton. We're not sponsored by them. I wish they did. And we have received an interesting brick. So we've received the 140 watt brick by Hoxton. So if the camera picks it up. We've obviously received the UK head for it as well, which is right there. I actually stopped using the Apple chargers. I used the Anchor plugs, and I'll do a separate video on that. And then we received a color matching MagSafe cable as well. So we put those things to the side, and let's get the machine out of the box and move the box out of the way. And again, as I say, the packaging is really well. It's just a little bit upside down. And let's pull the machine out of here. And we can already notice there's a few scuffs. There's a scuff right here. It's not really a scratch, but it's like some sort of indent type of color. You can see there's discoloration that's happened here on this edge. The camera can pick it up. And there's a few scratches, light scratches here and there in places. As you can see, it's everything. There's no dents so far that I can see. The front is actually quite immaculate. And then it's a matter of checking the side, so we can see there is discoloration happening on the body of this machine. So it'll be interesting to see what the insides look like. Let's just have a look at the ports. How are the ports? They're pretty good, and these look pretty good as well. So let us open the machine up and see what operating system is installed so far, and I'll also clean up a few of these things as well. So let's open up the lid and just bring the machine closer. Now, just want to show you some of these things here. You can see there's a discoloration happening right here. So it seemed like the machine was used quite heavily, and then I can see there's a chip right here if the camera picks it up. So this was labeled as a good machine, so it'll be interesting to see what is so good about it. Now the trackpad works actually fine. The screen doesn't have any scuffs or scratches anywhere. So I'll go through the setup process, and then we'll come back and see what spec this machine is and what we have received. So we're now into the machine. So let's click on the Apple logo and let's click on find. So we can see, I'm going to zoom in with the phone and we can see it is an M3 Max machine. It is a 64 gig RAM machine. Oh wow, it's 64 gigs. It's running 26.3.1. And if I click on more information, you can also see it's a 2 terabyte model. So it's actually a very highly spec'd machine. Now let's just have a look at the battery. So I can see battery says normal. Okay, it's actually on 100%. That's actually really interesting. It's on 100% battery health. So let's have a look at system information. And we should be able to see power. It's at 121 cycle count. And it's on 100% battery capacity. That's actually immensely amazing. So, you know, as you can see right here, it's on a 100% maximum capacity with 121 cycles. That's a bit odd that it's at 121 cycles and still 100% capacity, but hey, we don't know what this machine was used for or matters. Now let's have a look if there's any Apple Care on this device. So if I go on Apple Care on warranty, no, not that. I need to go to Apple about this Mac, copy the details, we open up Safari, and then all we need to do is check Apple Care, reject all, check coverage. What's the serial number? It expired, so the machine's coverage actually expired on the 29th of October 2025. So it seemed to only have 2 years of coverage. It seems like it actually was covered for 2 years, or someone stopped paying the coverage after 2 years. So yeah, it's interesting to see that we have this option. But yeah, I mean, everything else, it seems to be functioning really well. One thing we do need to check is if it's got 64 gigs of RAM, what's the GPU variant is this? I think it's on the graphics and display. Oh wow, guys, we're actually very, very lucky. I'm gonna just tilt the camera slightly. So as you can see, it's an M3 Max, but it's the top tier model. It's the 40 cores of GPU, which means this machine is an absolute beast when it comes to processing any graphical content like video editing and things like that. So this is a 16-inch machine, and in honesty, with the little defects I can see, a good condition is the thumbs up from me. Well done again, Hoxton, and I'll catch you in the next one.